Hey guys, Andy here at Max Tool, and today we're going to build a giant Jenga, but with a twist. We're going to add a shot glass in some of the pieces. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure each piece at 10.5 inches. Mark your line, and then we can start cutting. So we found the center of our pieces, and now we're going to drill out that hole for that shot glass we were talking about. So we just finished our first piece. Now, we did it with the drill press, but you could do it with a drill press if you have one, or if you're like us, you can use the Super Hawg from Milwaukee. Now that we have our pieces made, we're gonna go assemble this and have some fun. Cheers.